Hey gang, Jerry here, and today we're going to do a really quick video on how to reset your maintenance light or maintenance message on your RAV4. Now I have a 4th generation Toyota RAV4. It's a 2018. The 4th generation was made between 2013 and 2018, so this should apply to all those model years. And if you don't have one of those model years, the process would be very similar. So here's our RAV4 right here, and I just performed the oil change, and we'll get in it and we'll reset the maintenance message. It's pretty easy. Okay, so here we are. We're inside our vehicle, and you don't have to start it up. You can just put the key in the ignition and turn it to the accessory mode, and she'll fire up. And as you can see there, we have our maintenance required. Again, we just performed our oil change, so we're going to reset that. And the way you reset that is first you're going to press the back arrow, and then you're going to press it one more time. And on top here, you have your different selections for your menus. Well, do it again. And then we want to go to the gear. Okay, once you're at the gear, you can, arrow right to get to the gear. And then once you're to the gear, vehicle settings, which is already selected, hit the center button. And here it says scheduled maintenance. And you want to hit this center button again. And then it'll say, ask you, reset the data, and no is highlighted. So we'll hit our up button and highlight the yes, and then hit our center button, and the data has been reset. And it's that easy. To get back, hit your back arrow, hit your and then you can left arrow. I always leave mine on how many miles I have to go, my average fuel economy, but you can use your arrows to go whatever menu option you like to look at. And that's how easy it is to reset the maintenance light. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. That's it for this one, gang. And remember, if you put your mind to it, you can do anything. All right, gang, take care and see ya.